car cleaning video. It is May 17th and it's 1:10. I don't have a 6th or 7th hour anymore because they were college classes, and it's super nice outside, and I was like, I need to clean my car. I've almost had it for a year and it's only been cleaned once. So we're gonna clean her. She's right here. That's my mom's car. I'm not cleaning that. Basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean the inside, vacuum the inside, and I kind of want to give her a car wash. We have like an airplane tree. I don't know if that's the actual name of it, like helicopters. And here, I'll pick one up from the ground. These little things, they're everywhere. So they're all over my car. And I don't know if washing her, I don't know why I keep on saying her. I don't know. I'm just trying to like personalize it. I don't know if washing my car will do anything with that, but I feel like whenever your car like kind of looks nice, like you just feel a little bit more confident driving it and stuff. So that's what I'm going to do today. And video recording always makes things more fun for me. Also, it's super windy outside, so I know that's probably going to be an issue, but oh well. For my birthday, I got my car for my 16th birthday, which was May 31st. My 17th is coming up. And so one of my birthday presents was a car cleaner kit. And so that has all my car cleaning stuff that I will be using today. I also have this shop vac that I'm going to be using to vacuum it. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump into it. Hey guys, it is super hot and I'm definitely sweating, so I just thought I'd update you. I've been doing a little time lapse, trying to get as much as I can. What I've done so far is I've vacuumed the entire car, cleaned all the consoles, cleaned my rugs and put them back in. So the next things I need to do is I need to clean my seats. And then I have some polisher things that comes with that kit that I showed you guys. And then I also have to clean the back, what's it called? The trunk of my car. And then I'm going to wash it because who wants to pay for a car wash? Like, so I thought I would talk. I know you guys can't see my face. I thought I would talk while I'm just like doing this because I'm kind of bored. And it's been a time lapse the entire time. And so, you know what, why not talk to you guys? So, today's Friday, the 17th, like I said. And I don't even know if you guys can hear me. Hold on, let me finish. I officially have one more week left of school. Oh gosh, this is really bad volume. Monday and Tuesday are regular days. They're just gonna be like preparing for our final, and then Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday we actually have our finals. But the seniors' last day was actually yesterday, and we had like our yearbook signing, and it was a lot of fun. I'm gonna vacuum all this out, and I'm gonna vacuum this because, yeah, now you guys know what I mean by like airplanes everywhere. she is all done. I will give you guys a little look. So here it is, all clean. I think I did pretty good. I'm pretty proud of it. Obviously it's not the best, and I probably didn't clean it perfectly, but you know what? I say it's good. So this is gonna be it for this little short vlog. Hopefully you guys enjoyed me sweating while cleaning my car. I'm gonna put everything away and then go inside and probably eat some ice cream. If you guys liked it, make sure you give it a like and subscribe if you want to. It'd be much appreciated. Anyways, I will see you later. Peace and love. Bye.